when everybody has got a democratic right to participate in an election, in an electoral process, without fear of intimidation or coercion by any of the players. Our lives are now in danger, and we were exposed to extreme danger yesterday because they fired live bullets on us, tear gas, and which was unjustified in the circumstances. It was a peaceful rally. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua has been in Narok on another occasion, on any other occasion, and he will continue being here, and he has been peaceful. We as DCP, and I'm speaking as the Deputy Secretary General, it's barbaric, it's archaic, outdated, and I want to tell the UDA leadership, this is not the way to go in a democratic society.